Okay, let's look at Farm Together 2. So far, it sounds okay. I'll show you my farm. I'm actually just working on opening up all the property right now. Then I'm going to focus on my actual design. But this map here, the dark areas are not purchased yet. So I'm trying to unlock those. And right now I'm just running through getting all the crops and getting it done. But let's see what goes on. These are not the crops, these are the little animals. But see, the sound sounds great in this. It was messing up in Pac-Man. But ironically, I chose this, and now I'm gathering eggs, kind of like gathering dots. But the sound isn't messing up in this. So that's really interesting. I got lots of animals here. It's very peaceful. The dry pasture chickens. Now the pigs. There we go. Come on, sheep. Where are my baths? Guess they're all quiet today. There you go. There we are. Got my ducks. My goats. They're trying to be quiet too. The goats and the sheep don't want to speak up till later. There you go. Now my llamas and alpacas. Say something. My little bunnies. Oh, the horses love talking. Just ask Mr. Red. The only ones that are supposed to be... Oh, I'm pushing... Oh, look at that! I'm pushing the goat into the water. He loves that. What you doing? What you doing? Huh? Why you in the water? Huh? Why you in the water? Huh? Go. Get back there. Animals. That was just a piece of my farm.